Carl Matthew Enablan, 1st Battalion Commander. General Virinia, 2nd Platoon Leader. Bravo Company Commander and Staff. Nina Nicole B. Bernales, Company Commander. Janine Cabañas, Company XO. Laika Bergantin, 1st Platoon Leader. Asia Kate Benlot, 2nd Platoon Leader. 2nd Battalion Commander and Staff. Vincent Tiburan, 2nd Battalion Commander. Eugene Tumbado, 2nd Battalion S1 Adjutant. George Nathaniel Camulacio, 2nd Battalion S2. Ezekiel A. Manaog, 2nd Battalion XO and S3. Cindy P. Painago, 2nd Battalion S4. Angelica Tabaya, 2nd Battalion S5. Charlie Company Commander and Staff. Kurt Ryan Villamayor, Company Commander. Rian Tubig, Company XO. Fergus Nampaloto, 1st Platoon Leader. Lance Ricky P. Sagana, 2nd Platoon Leader. Cameron Company Commander and Staff. Shane Company Commander. Shomer Felix Sinola, Company XO. Philip Gabriel Ano, 1st Platoon Leader. Zoe Ayer, 2nd Platoon Leader. CTP Mafia Facilitator, Mr. Jonathan P. Bell. Assistant CTP Mafia Facilitator, Ms. Marisa P. Mendoza. Major Export Coordinator, Mr. Marvin Delargo and Ms. Angela P. Gaspi. EXMC DLC Coordinator and Time Director, Mr. Jonathan Pasara and Mr. Jamel Varela. School Officials, Dr. Francia D. Buffet, Principal Junior High School, Mrs. Nita D. Angeles, Principal Senior High School, Dr. Jose B. Vanesteros, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Attorney Paul Gabriel Castroberto, Director for Financial Services, Attorney Jessup Rani Sanyago de Liesa, Director for Administrative Services, and Attorney Manuel S. Ortega, University President. Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Outfit Number 72, Yusan Shelter. Battalion Commander and Staff. Senior Staff, Carson Nanon, Senior Leader. Senior Staff, Liam Dominic Rosales, Outfit Light Master. Senior Scout, Val Anthony L. Mayosa, Outfit Scribe. Senior Scout, James Matthew Epres, Outfit Treasurer. Senior Scout, Gregory Matthew Luneda, Outfit Director Master. Senior Scout, Matt Andre Dawe, Outfit Cheerleader. First Battalion Commander and Staff. Senior Scout, CC and Wong, Senior Leader. Senior Scout, King Ira Dorelia, Outfit Night Master. Senior Scout, Joseph Raymond Bernard Aponiente, Outfit Scribe. Senior Scout, Lance Jared Sevilla, Outfit Treasurer. Senior Scout, Mayor Nico Estor, Outfit Quartermaster. Senior Scout, Sebastian Vargas, Outfit Cheerleader. Alpha Company Commander and Staff. Senior Scout, Rashid Maestrado, Alpha Company Commander. Senior Scout, Ray Anzala, Alpha Company XO. Senior Scout, Ashton Marian, Alpha Company Bidor. Senior Scout, Carl Eugene Roquillo, Alpha Platoon Leader. Senior Scout, John Allen Ladea, Alpha Platoon Surgeon. Bravo Company Commander and Staff. Senior Scout, Sean Wayne Emila Tipones, Bravo Company Commander. Senior Scout, Neil Gerald Pura, Bravo Company XO. Senior Scout, Lucas Inigo Hapo, Bravo Company Bidor. Senior Scout, Jai Carlson Guadalupe, Bravo Platoon Leader. Senior Scout, Clifford Dominic Nacarlo, Bravo Platoon Surgeon. Charlie Company Commander and Staff. Senior Scout, Nel Howardura, Charlie Company Commander. Senior Scout, Rain Calvarosa, Charlie Company XO. Senior Scout, Carl Shelvin Nagrompa, Charlie Company Bidor. Senior Scout, Ken Genesis Nagrat, Charlie Platoon Leader. Senior Scout, Jose Julius Sadar, Charlie Platoon Surgeon. Girl Scouts of the Philippines, Flag Bearer, Senior Girl Scout, William Isha Kenya, Vice Chairman Jordan. Battalion Commander, Senior Girl Scout, Camille Bang, Chairman. Battalion Staff, Senior Girl Scout, Denise Nicole Coronel, Vice Chairman External. Senior Scout, Emilia Gabriel Frainan, First Speaker. Senior Girl Scout, Kendra Nicole Ortiz, Representative. Senior Girl Scout, Ian Margot Amboyong, Public Relations Officer. Velasco, Grade 10 Division Instructor. Outgoing Commander, Senior Girl Scout Alexander Nicole Ababa, Field Coordinator. Alpha Alpha Assistant Commander, Senior Girl Scout Natasha Juan Manolo. Alpha Alpha Student, Senior Girl Scout Police Anne Hugo, Grade 8 Division Instructor. Alpha Platoon Leader, Senior Girl Scout Princess Girlie Pumenya, Assistant Quartermaster. Alpha Assistant Platoon Leader, Senior Girl Scout Police James Zamudio. Bravo Company Commander, Senior Girl Scout Aliza Julian August Scribe. Bravo Company Assistant Commander, Senior Girl Scout Krisa Shane Pineda, Grade 7 Division Instructor. And thank you very much, University of St. Andrews.
Let us now welcome the USEM ROTC Reserve Officer Training Force Unit, Corps Commander and Staff. Cadet Colonel John Wayne Lado, Cadet First Class Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Joshua Anthony
Commander, Cadet Private Shayna Catherine Sarion Company XO, Cadet Private Iris Salumado Kidon Beer, Platoon Leader, Cadet Private Quincy Gale Riviera, Majorette Leader, Bettina Pauline Francia, Band Leader, Evan Michael Talagi, School Officials, Lieutenant Colonel Dennis Chi Abelia, Philippine Army USAN ROTC Commandant, Mrs. Evelyn S. J. Devilla, ROTC Coordinator, Dr. Jose B. Ballesteros, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Attorney Paul Gabriel Castelete, Director for Financial Services, Attorney Jessa Franny Sanaro Bonesa, Director for Admin Service, and Attorney Manuel S. Ortega, University President. So ladies and gentlemen, the University of St. Anthony ROTC Unit. Once again, maraming salamat po, University of St. Anthony. Again, maraming salamat po, Attorney Vicky Ortega, and of course, our school officials,